What's up, everybody? It's your girl Richay here, back again with another video. And as you can tell, I am not in my apartment and I am not in my car for once. I'm actually outside. Today is, I guess, Thanksgiving, so most people are stuffing their faces with their families and everything. And I figured since I have nothing to do today, I would go ahead and catch you guys up on what I've been doing since I've moved.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today.
So since I've moved, I've had some absolutely amazing opportunities. One of them being that I actually got to write, direct, and edit my first short film. Now, if you know me, I have been working on short films for a little while now, and the highest that I've gone on that was that I actually got to do post-production with Predator 2018. I got to do exit polling for that movie, and that was so cool for me just to experience, because I have probably been interested in film since I was little, so it's super exciting to know that I finally for once got to make my own, and I got to do it with my company, my own little company, Sawbridge Manor Studios, and I got to bring it to the world and share it with UIW-TV and TVSA. So I'm super grateful to all of those who made that happen for me and who supported me, and just, it was an honor to work with everyone at UIW and learn all of how film works and just be able to join them in their short films as well. One of my best friends, Kyle, actually does quite a bit of short films, and he's always been the director, and I've always been, the project manager or the assistant director. So this was a nice flip. He was definitely my DP, and if you're interested in that, I actually do have a channel for it, Sawbridge Manor Studios, which I will link up in the corner, as well as put a little picture right here of my little logo. But stick around, because I will in 2022 be continuing to do some more magic for y'all on that. Other than that, I actually got to work with some great friends recently and collab with them on their projects, from not only being able to work as a social media manager with some drag queens, but also I got the opportunity to return to kind of photography in a way and be their official photographer. So I really appreciate you, Jeremiah, if you're watching this. I can't wait to see what you do with everything that you are given. Like, you have such amazing opportunities, and I can't wait to watch you grow. I can't wait. You're gonna do amazing. And with all this digital work that I was doing, editing photos for both my media and his media, I just thought I would love to continue on with YouTube, continue to make content for you guys, because I love to do it. And for a while there, I started to hate it because I hated editing. And this year, I got to reconnect with my passion for editing. I hated it for a while, and I didn't have time for a while, which is why my schedule was so inconsistent. But I've been spending a lot of time in coffee shops and libraries and just doing my little digital work, and I've just decided, yeah, this is not only my degree, but I actually really love it, and I would really like to continue it. So stick around, because I'm going to continue doing it. I'm uploading every Sunday and Wednesday, with the exception of today. I did skip yesterday just to do the thankful video on, of course, Thanksgiving. With all the digital work I've been doing this year, I have continued my path to self-liberation and healing, and just trying to be an overall better person and love myself. And with that, I've had to have conversations that I wasn't able to have for the past 23 years. And it hurt, yes, but it gave me hope, and it reminded me that I do have a path to continue on, and these conversations are going to have to be had in order for me to heal. So I've been spending a lot of time with the people that I love most, everyone from my best friends, the most amazing people in the world. I love you guys if you're watching. To my sister and my favorite girl in the world, Jasmine, love you very much, love. Hopefully you're not watching this video, because you should not be watching my channel. You should not be watching my channel. But just being able to spend this time with the people that I love most has definitely opened up my eyes, and has caused me to realize that this is really something I do want. I want to be normal. I want to love myself. I want to love the little pieces of myself, even when I look goofy like this. And just be happy. That is ultimately the goal in 2019. That was the best year of my life because I took those steps to go further and actually heal myself. And then 2020, or no, it was 2018 that was great. 2019 sucked. 2020 was okay, and 2021 I lost quite a few people to many things, and I told myself I wasn't gonna cry in this video, but I realized that time is short with other people, especially when you're spending one day with them and the next they're no longer here, whether it's due to loss of friendship or more, where it's death. And that was really hard for me to accept this year. 2022 will definitely continue to be my path to liberation, and I will start taking you guys along with me a lot more. But if you're interested in seeing my little small moments of happiness, I do try and document them here for you guys. This upcoming Sunday is my next upload schedule, and that's going to be my LA vlog with Charles. So if you're interested in how I did that and how I was able to go to LA on like a $1,300 budget for an entire week, stick around because that's coming Sunday, and I'd love you to stay and take this path with me. So as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, follow me on all social medias. They're all at Okayrichay. And please, 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 please share the videos that y'all like with your friends. For the past year, I've been stuck at about 390 followers. And I was hoping by the end of the year I can make it up to 500. So if we could make that happen, I would be so grateful, even more grateful than I already am, just knowing people watch my stuff. Like, wow, y'all watch me? Really? I feel boring, but you know, I appreciate y'all so much. And 2022 is going to be filled with adventure and filled with healing and love and new beginnings. And I can't wait to share it with you guys. Until next time.